శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi is saying to Saunaka and other Maharshis, O Maharshis, Sri Krishna Paramatma now entered into Dwaraka Nagaram. Krishna Paramatma, everybody serving Krishna Paramatma. Some people are holding a white umbrella. Some people are doing white chamara seva. Sitata patra vyajanaihi upaskrutaha. Having all those white things around Krishna Paramatma, Krishna Paramatma's beauty, handsomeness, making them beautiful, and their those instruments' whiteness, making Krishna Paramatma glow more and more. Like that, Krishna Paramatma is now walking in the main streets. Prasuna varshaihi. People are showering so many flowers on Krishna Paramatma. How Krishna Paramatma is looking now? Pisangavasaha pattu pitambaram. Beautiful garments Krishna Paramatma is wearing. Vanamalaya, having a beautiful garland on his chest. Krishna Paramatma glowing like anything. Around Krishna Paramatma, so many people are walking, while Krishna has Neelameghasyama. The entire scene is looking like as and how a beautiful cloud is surrounded by Surya, Chandra and rainbow and all kind of sparklings. That is how Krishna Paramatma is looking. Ghana, Arka, Uduma, Chapa, Vaidyutaihi. With all this, as Krishna Paramatma around him, Surya is there, Chandra is there, Indradhanusu is there. That is how, because he is Neelameghasyama, he is looking like that, as and how a cloud is walking, having all these divine entities around him. Such a beautiful scene. Shasidhvajamuto nakshatra sanghambuto balabhichapamuto tatillатikato bhasillu meghakrutin. Everybody enjoying such a beautiful scene, and nobody is able to take off their eyes from Krishna Paramatma. Jalajatakshudu sudanoppe. People are enjoying beautiful divine form of Krishna Paramatma and receiving all the services. Now Krishna Paramatma entered into Dwaraka Nagaram. First he went to his parents' house. Pravishtastu gruham pitroho. He went to his parents. Vavande sirasa. Krishna Paramatma did namaskaram to Devaki and Vasudeva. There is Rohini also. Devaki and Rohini, both the mothers have taken Krishna Paramatma close to them and hugged Krishna Paramatma tightly. Then they were not able to express their how much of happiness they have. Because of that, they are moving to tears. Netrajaihi, Jalajaihi, their entire heart is getting so much tendered, their manas is getting so much cold because of all these unique tenderness in the body that is making the eyes bring out all the tears out. Netrajaihi jalajaihi. All the water, tears are rolling down with those tears coming out of their eyes, those mothers giving abhishekam to Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is how the scene, the entire scene is looking. After that, Krishna Paramatma consoled, his mothers consoled everyone around them because they have been craving to see Krishna Paramatma. They have been going through the pain of separation from Sri Krishna Paramatma. Krishna Paramatma, after pacified all of them, now Adha Visat Swabhavanam. Krishna Paramatma is entering into his own building, his own palace. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.